Ever found yourself needing a new bank account, but the thought of endless paperwork and long queues makes you want to run for the hills? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, convenience is king, and that extends to how we manage our finances. So, the question on many people's minds is, can you actually open a Lloyds bank account entirely online? Let's face it, traditional banking often conjures up images of formal meetings and physical documents. But the digital revolution has transformed so many aspects of our lives, from how we shop to how we communicate. It's only natural to wonder if opening a bank account has joined the online evolution. Lloyds Bank, like many major financial institutions, has been adapting to this digital shift. They understand that customers value speed and ease. So, the short answer to our initial question is, yes, in many cases, you absolutely can open a Lloyds bank account online. However, like with most things, there are a few nuances to consider. The specific types of accounts you can open online might vary. Typically, everyday current accounts are readily available for online application. This means if you're looking for a standard account for your day-to-day transactions, salary deposits, and bill payments, you are likely in luck. The online application process is generally designed to be straightforward and user-friendly. You'll typically start by visiting the Lloyds Bank website. Look for the Open an Account or similar section. From there, you'll be guided through a series of steps. These steps usually involve providing your personal details, such as your name, address, date of birth, and contact information. You'll also likely need to provide information about your employment status and income. This is standard procedure for any bank to comply with regulations and assess your suitability for an account. One of the key advancements that makes online account opening possible is digital identity verification. Gone are the days of solely relying on physical documents presented in person. Lloyds Bank, like many others, utilizes secure methods to verify your identity online. This might involve uploading photos of your passport or driver's license and even taking a selfie to match your identity documents. They might also use credit reference agencies to confirm your details. The beauty of the online process is that you can usually complete the application at your own pace and from the comfort of your own home or wherever you have an internet connection. This saves you valuable time and eliminates the need to travel to a physical branch during opening hours. Once you've submitted your application, Lloyds Bank will review it. The processing time can vary depending on the complexity of your application and their current workload. However, in many cases, you can expect to receive a decision relatively quickly, sometimes even within a few business days. If your application is approved, you'll typically receive confirmation and details about your new account online. Your debit card and any other relevant information will usually be sent to you by post. You will then be able to start managing your finances through online banking and the Lloyds Bank mobile app. It's worth noting that while the majority of standard accounts can be opened online, there might be certain specialized accounts or situations that require an in-person visit. For example, if you have a more complex financial situation or are applying for a joint account with multiple applicants who are not at the same address, you might need to visit a branch. So, while the digital route is the norm for many, it's always a good idea to check the specific requirements for the type of account you're interested in on the Lloyds Bank website. They usually have clear information outlining the online application process and any exceptions. In conclusion, opening a Lloyds Bank account online is generally a convenient and accessible option for many individuals. The digital application process streamlines the traditional banking experience, allowing you to manage your finances from the get-go with ease. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.